Alcázar of Seville, the Alcázar of Sevilla in Spanish is called Real Alcázar de Sevilla, is a historic royal palace in Sevilla, in the city of Sevilla in Spain. During the Islamic period, it was a citadel of the city, and its construction started in the 10th century. Later on, it developed into a larger palace complex by the Abbadid dynasty in the 11th century and the Almohads in the 12th to early 13th centuries. After the Castilian conquest of the city, which happened in 1248, the site was more and more or progressively rebuilt and replaced by new palaces and gardens. One of the most important buildings of this period is a richly decorated Mudéjar style palace built by Pedro I during the 1360s. Is a preeminent example of Mudéjar style, this palace, in the Iberian Peninsula. It has also sections with Gothic and Renaissance elements. It is registered by UNESCO in 1987 as a World Heritage Site, together with Seville Cathedral.